Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about visual calculation. This is a brand new feature of Power BI launched by Microsoft in February 2024. Visual calculations are DAX calculations that are defined and executed directly on a visual. A visual calculation can refer to any data in the visual, including columns, measures, or other visual calculations. Writing DAX is made easier with this method. You can use visual calculations to complete common business calculations such as running sums, moving average, or compare values with previous month. Visual calculations make it easy to do calculations that were previously bit complicated. Visual calculations differ from the other calculation option in DAX in that they are not stored in the model but instead on the visual. Let's move into Power BI desktop and see some practical examples how we incorporate visual calculations. In this Power BI file, we will see some practical example of visual calculations. This is a simple metric visual that I have added here, and here we have month and net profit. In net profit, I just created a simple DAX to calculate net profit. To do visual level calculation, we need to first update our Power BI versions. Here, let me show my versions. So in this file, I have the versions of February 2024. To enable visual level calculation, after updating the Power BI software, you need to go to File, click on Options and Setting, click on Options. After that, you need to go to Preview Features. In Preview Features, you need to enable the option Visual Calculations. Then click on OK and restart your Power BI file. Once you enable this option and restart your Power BI, after creating visual, you will get the option new calculation. Let me show you some practical example. To do visual calculation, we need to select the visual, then click on new calculation. A new dialog box will be appear below of your visuals. And here we have a FX button. So these are the inbuilt functions that are available as on date for visual level calculations. These are running sum, moving average, percentage of total, percentage of grand total, average of children versus previous versus next versus first versus last. These options are available. In today's video, we will see some practical examples. So let me explain how we get running sum here. To calculate running sum, earlier we need to write complex DAX formula. Now anyone can calculate running sum by some clicks only. So you need to click on running sums. Here you will get a new formula called running sum, and in this field you need to refer your measure. So we need the running sum for net profit. You need to select net profit and then you need to commit by clicking this tick icon. Here we'll get running sum by doing some clicks only. But you can see the formatting is not correct. We have some decimal values. We can modify our formula and we'll format it based on our requirement. To format it, we need to edit this calculation. So just click on this icon and click on edit calculation. And here before running sum, we need to write a format formula. So just write format, bracket open. After putting comma, we need to put the formatting that we want. This will be our final formula. So in formatting, we'll put this. Then you need to commit it. Once you commit it, you will get the desired result. Now let me show you another example. We need to calculate moving average for last 3 months. To calculate moving average, we need to write some complex DAX earlier. Here you can achieve it by just simply select some options. So you need to click on this FX button, then you need to select moving average. Here we need to define two things. you can see the moving average formula. Here we need to define field and window size. In field, you need to refer your measure. So we want moving average based on net profit. Select the net profit and window size. In window size, we need to define the numbers. So we want 3-month moving average. That's why our window size will be 3. If you want to calculate 6-month moving average, your window size will be 6. Then again, you need to commit. We have the moving average of 3 months. The value that we get on the month of December, this is the moving average of October, November, and December. If you wanted to hide any calculation from here, you can hide any visual. So for now, I hide running sum. You need to click on back to report. You will get the result. So we have net profit and moving average. Now if you wanted to see it on line graph, you can see it on line chart. So we need to change the visual type to running chart and we'll get the running average. So this is our net profit and this is our moving average. So this is now very easy for any developer to perform this type of complex calculations in Power BI with the help of visual calculations. Now let's move to metric visual again. Now let me show you another example. Now we will perform versus previous. So we wanted to compare our profit with previous month value. Just you need to click on versus previous. In versus previous, you need to define two things. In fields, we need to define net profit measure, and in previous also we need to define net profit measure. Then we need to click on commit. You will get the difference here. It will compare the value in the previous month and give you the result. In February month, our profit has increased. That's why it gives us positive variance. In the month of March, our profit has decreased. That's why we are getting negative variance. This is how you can do the other calculations as well. If you want to change the position of your result, you just need to drag it from value section. So this is how we can do complex calculations very easily by using visual calculations. But as on that, you will not able to use these visual calculations in conditional formatting. Might be later on Power BI will give us this update as well. Click on back to report to see your report on Excel. Let us know in the comment sections what kind of calculations you achieve easily by using visual level calculations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.